In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a board admin in a Jira board. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and that you already have access to the project whose board you want to manage. From your Jira home or projects list, open the specific board where you want to add an admin. This might be a Scrum or Kanban board, but the process is the same. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct board, because the admin access you set here will apply only to this board and its related project. Once your board is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click on those three dots. This menu is where Jira keeps a lot of board-specific options and configurations. From the drop-down that appears, choose Space Settings. In some Jira setups, this may be labeled as Project or Board Settings, but you're looking for the option that takes you to the configuration area for this space. Click it, and Jira will open a new settings view for that project or board. In the settings sidebar, look for the section called Access. This is where you control who can see the project and what level of permissions they have. Go ahead and click on Access. You should now see a list of people or groups who already have roles in this project, along with their current permission levels. To add a new board admin, click on the button labeled Add People. This will open a small panel or pop-up where you can define who you want to add and what they should be allowed to do. In the field provided, type in the details of the person you want to add. Usually, this will be their Jira account name or email address, depending on how your organization manages users. As you type, Jira often suggests matching users. Select the correct one from the list to avoid adding the wrong person. Next, you need to manage their role. Look for the role or permission drop-down next to their name. Open this drop-down to see the available roles for this project. From the list, choose Administrator. This role gives the person board admin permissions, including managing settings, configuring workflows, and adjusting access for others. Make sure you're comfortable granting this level of control before proceeding. Finally, click on Add to confirm. Jira will save